Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx 3D tutorial. In this video, we will look at scale transition based animation. So these are all the slide decks from previous videos. So JavaFX scale transition performs zoom in as well as zoom out kind of animation. So this zoom in, zoom out, when it is performed, gradually changing the scale property along the specified axis, you will be seeing an animation, and this animation is performed using the JavaFX provided scale transition class. So zoom in and zoom out means the object will grow bigger or it will shrink smaller on a specified axis. Following properties are involved in scale animation. They are shape, as we already know, then duration, from X, from Y, and from Z. This will tell the scale start, to X, to Y, to Z, scale end. So almost equivalent to translate transition, right? By X, by Y, by Z. From current scale factor, how much to grow or shrink. So in all this, you will actually specify the scale factor, and that you will see here in the example. If you say here we are creating scale transition, and we call the object as scale transition T, then to this scale transition we specify the second, how long the transition should go, and the object that is involved in the transition. Here we are creating the box 3D. Then set from X 0.1, set to X 1. So this is the scale factor we are giving. That means initially the box will be in shrink state, then it will keep on growing on X direction. Same goes for Y, and same goes for Z. In all three axes we are growing the box. So if box is initially like this, we are growing it in all three direction to 10x. That means the box will go somewhat bigger like this from this initial scale. So cycle count is 1, and duration, if you see, we are giving 5 seconds. So that's enough to see the zoom in here. The object is growing here 0.1 to 1. You can set it in the reverse direction also, 1 to 0.1. In that case the object will shrink. Now let's go to the demo and see how it works. Now we will copy our previous example, and in the same package we will create a paste, and we will name the example as scale transition example. As usual, we will delete. So the example will be similar to the previous examples. So we will directly place the code and do the required imports. So this is the box we used in our previous example for rotation. So that's all. The animation will play for 5 seconds. We will build this and run it. Scale transition. So now you can see the object is growing bigger, and if you want to make a rotation, you can borrow it from our previous example. This is rotate translation. This is our box 3D, right? So we will rotate it to 35 degree. And run it. So here you can see how the scale is performed. Scale transformation dot set auto reverse true, and cycle count we will make it as 4, and we'll rebuild this. And second we will give it as 1 second. So totally this will be played for 10 seconds. We will rebuild this and run the file. Right, so here it is performing zoom in as well as zoom out, and that's all here in this video. Since we specified cycle count as 10, the animation played for 10 cycle. From 0.1 to it is zooming into 1, then it zoomed out to 0.1. That's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.